US, Los Angeles, please add the number +91. We are providing you COD, online orders, pre-booking payments also we take, except and 24/7 we do have online payments and cash on delivery. You can, if you are booking an order from India, 7 to 8 days time period you will receive it. How the quality will be, how the collections will be, will I get my stock securely and safely? Hi friends, I'm your friend Rani Subramanian from Kesaria Textile Manufacturers. So once again, I welcome you all to Kesaria family. I hope all are safe and doing great. Friends, today in this video, I'm not going to show you the collections or I'm going to share any business information video, but I'm going to show you the live activities, how the pre-order booking orders are getting packed and the transportation logistics services providing by Kesaria Manufacturers. So watch this video, subscribe the channel. You can also do pre-booking orders you can place and you can purchase for this festival season, and you can also have a smooth business flow at this festival season. So I'm at the Millennium Textile Kesaria shop. So let's see how the activities is getting done. Let's see how the packing is getting, the stock and everything, the pre-order booking are placed, the customers, how the executives are working on this. This I'm going to show you. So let's see. So friends, as I said, when you visit Kesaria Manufacturers, you will have from the moment when you enter a shop, you will have a smooth communication. This is the most important at any purchase where you go. Even when we go individually for shopping, we always look and expect for the better service. I want to purchase, I want to communicate, I don't know language, I want according to my language, I want one person or executive who can support me. Here is a live example. Our reception executives are helping out the customers based on their requirements from the city or place, from the country where they come and travel to purchase a business purchase. To have a smooth communication, always you have to see the benefits of manufacture, even the language, communication part, the collections, varieties, online purchase, offline purchase. I want to see a number of collections. All these are included. Even the colors, varieties, color charts, even the segments, everything, such benefits, only then you can purchase and you can start your business. So as I said, here is the parcels, how the pre-order booking being placed for this festival season. N number of collections and the customers were from around the pan India plus worldwide. The orders which are placed safe and securely, how we are providing the services. In this video you can understand, and here are the bunches of boxes which are packed over here. Here is the empty box which is going to fill here. This is the cotton box, and here is the polythene where you can see for the safe and secure. This is the plastic cover which has covered inside, and here is the packing of the collections which has been packed of the number of sarees which are designer saree, lace border sarees, and here is the one of the box which is almost done. These are all going to put an invoice sticker, then it will go according to the parcel's invoice number. So these are all packed almost, and here is also a collections of designer boutique varieties of sarees. Here is also a varieties of n number of collections, either lehengas or side wear or the party wear or the printed sarees over here. And there also you can see the parcels, and this side also you can see the parcels. So these parcels are, it's a pre-booking, I can only say, which the orders has been placed by customer. And here is the quantity of the collections. In this you can see the bottom varieties, printed sarees, in skirts, matching collections, digital printed sarees, and the n number of bottom varieties, silk sarees, butta work sarees, weaving work sarees, silk varieties of box sarees, dupattas. All this has been customer has purchased, and there also one has been purchased, and their billing executives are aligning the bills and forwarding the bills. And here is also a boxes of the wedding collections. Here is also a parcels, and I want to show you one manual example of the bill. When you place an order, this is the invoice of the customer, from which city you are placing an order, your location of address, your name, your mobile number, and the quantity, what all you purchase, the quantity and the equal to price, and overall the bill amount, and the KTC logo, the address, and here is the seal, here is the barcode. This is the bill invoice copy. So in this way, the services are providing from a manufacturer. So you also, when you place an order, such varieties of collections, either you go for lakhs of, or either you go for thousands, every customer's order, we provide you the invoice copy. And I want to just show you one more example. Once the order has been placed, there's an invoice, how the sticker has been placed over here. Here is the invoice number, the date, and the customer's name, and it is going to the station called Khaga, and the delivery number, and it is almost Uttar Pradesh. Here also you can see here, and here also the details. I'm going to show you the invoice number, invoice date. This is also from Maharashtra. So even Maharashtra, either Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, and as I say always in every video, pan India plus worldwide, we are providing you the services. So Kesaria manufactures, where the festival season, I request everyone who is looking to travel, I couldn't travel, I'm not comfortable, it's a long journey for me. So numbers are on the screen. If you're sitting in Sri Lanka, Malaysia, Singapore, US, Los Angeles, please add the number +91. Just take a WhatsApp, say hi, hello to our sales executive. They will connect to you according to your requirement, either lehenga, either saree, either boutique varieties, or dress material, kurti, kurta sets. Anything you want, you can purchase sitting from your home, and you can enjoy this festival season purchase by pre-booking. That's why I always tell you, we are providing you COD, online orders, pre-booking payments also we take, except, and you have to buy at wholesale, and it's everything bulk to bulk, no single piece quantity, accordingly to based on the segment. So I request, these are the parcels over you're watching here. These are all n number of collections are going safely and securely. Sea services, cargo services, we are providing you. If you are booking an order from India, 7 to 8 days time period, you will receive it. So friends, I hope this video will be helpful to you. This is a pre-booking parcels logistic service, how the Kesaria manufacturers are providing you. I've showed you the live examples of parcels. Kesaria is a manufacturer where you are getting online services, offline services. So I request, before you place an order, visit, purchases must. When you visit and do the purchase, you will clarify all your doubts, how the cloth, how the quality will be, how the collections will be, will I get my stock securely and safely. These are all questions, you can clear these doubts. So I request everyone, please visit, which is located at Surat City Ring Road, Millennium Textile Building. Millennium Textile Building 1, first floor, morning to evening till 8:30. Our shop will be open. Directly visit, and we have executives where to guide you, to support you. So visit, purchase. When you do it, you will have a lot of benefits. So before doing pre-booking, you can also do visit, purchase, and 24/7 we do have online payments and cash on delivery. You can just pay, and from sitting from your home, you just take a WhatsApp and you can do according to your requirement. You can purchase with Kesaria Textile Manufacturers, quality services with multiple benefits, quantity collections. You can purchase for this festival season. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Subscribe the channel, keep supporting. Please share with your friends, relatives, with everyone. Next video I'll come up with many more business informations and videos, and with the collections. Till then, keep supporting. Take care. Bye bye.